Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color rainbow farm animals. Let's start drawing. Let's draw a cute dog. I start with his eyes, his nose, and a mouth. I draw his head and his 2 ears. Finally, some patches here. Let's draw a cute cat very quickly. I start with her cute eyes like this, her nose, her mouth, and 3 lines on each side for her kitten mustache and her 2 triangular ears. Finally, some patches here. Next to her, I draw a cute cow, her eyes, her nose, and a mouth. Then I draw the shape of her head with her 2 horns and ears above. In the next row, first I draw a cute sheep. I draw her eyes, her nose, and her mouth. Then I draw the shape of her head with some fluffy hair on top, and finally her fur around her face, like this. I draw a cute chicken. I draw her 2 eyes, then her beak with a comb on the crown. I draw her head. Finally, I draw her feathered neck. Last in this row, I draw a cute little pig, her eyes. Then I draw her big pig nose and her mouth. I draw her 2 ears. Incredible!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I use this light brown marker here for the dog. Then light red for his mouth. Then I colored the rest of his face with this medium brown marker. Now let's color the kitten. I'm going to use this pink marker for the nose, coloring her fluffy body with this gray marker. Then I continue with the cow. I colored this part with cream. For the antlers, I use gray. Let's color the sheep. I use the cream color here. Red. Orange. The chicken is going to be yellow. I color the little pig with this pink marker. Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.